Hi, I'm Marge. I'm a member of the GetSetUp team. I'd like to just mention our GetSetUp Book Club social hour. This is a social hour for the members of our book club and anyone who might possibly want to learn more about the book club. That's right, we have a book club. Our members enjoy each other's company so much that they requested a social hour to meet and just talk about whatever crosses our minds. I like to ask the members in this social hour for recommendations for our next book to read. We are trying to find ways to keep the cost of the books down, so I'm looking into books that may be at the library already. We want everyone who has an interest to be able to read with us. We're a lively group with varied interests in literature. If you're interested in joining the book club, come to this meeting to get to know everyone before our book discussion and to learn which book we're reading next. Get to know the members of the book club outside of our book discussions. Make new friends and discuss your favorite books. One of our recent attendees said, "I enjoyed this class so much, I didn't want it to end. I can't wait to take more classes and tell all my friends about GetSetUp." Just terrific. Thank you so much for those kind words, and we'd like to see you soon in one of our social meetings. Have a wonderful day.